is our final morning here in Osaka. We are traveling to Tokyo today on the bullet train. We're not leaving till about lunchtime, so we have time to go grab a coffee in our area, head back before we leave for the train. Everyone, we are all loaded up again with our bags on, and we are heading to the bullet train to go to Tokyo.
Guys, we've just made it to the Shin Osaka bullet train terminal, and we've made it on the platform. This is not our one, but it's the next one, and we're really excited to go on the bullet train, and it just looks unbelievable in person. Can't wait.